Hold on, wait, don't.
I'm already recording, I don't care. So, we're about to do something stupid. Really don't know what we're doing, because it's really stupid. Oh gosh. So we're gonna do another firework in the trash can. So we put a firework in a trash can and lit it. That's so stupid, but we're gonna do it again. Devin, I'm filming. Right. Is that good?
There's dents in the top.
That's crap. Bobby, what the crap?
He has the firework.
Oh, he has a firework just in my favor. Alright,
Should we put the
go down?
Let's put the brick on top. No, let it be. Do it just like it happened. No, my
If you put the brick on top, it's gonna blow through.
come on, don't do the brick.
Put this bottle on top and see if it knocks it off.
Oh, nice.
You guys think it goes off, but it doesn't. Alright, do that.
I'm going back. Oh my
Dude, we got another one.
Oh.
Alright, now put the brick on top. See if it'll blow through your
What will we do next?
Two at one time. You got two?
Why are we being so stupid? At least I got this all on film.
Yeah,
and
you
I'm putting this to YouTube. I don't care.
Nothing bad.
No, those are the worst ones. If y'all get hit, not my problem. But I'm telling y'all now, don't get hit. Because those are awful. We're being so stupid at this point. I'm going to do it for y'all guys. What are y'all doing in the name of Atlanta?
I didn't know if they were gonna blow.
Dang, man.
I got that all on film.
You want to go watch and see what it looks like?
God.